Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on RKLB just 9 days ago, to be exact on June 23rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $100, slightly below at pre-market hours, as you can see $99.11. And at this point my main assumption was that we were approaching to the level of support, the last level that should be a breaking point between two main scenarios. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of RKLB, and since I made my previous video, this asset went to this level. It had a reaction. If I switch to 5 minutes time frame, you can see that this asset hit the level of about $92, had a reaction to the upside, and then eventually it broke it to the lower levels. And for now, guys, with this breakout, I can diversify two main layouts of this stock, and I will show you everything in just several minutes. But for now, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. RWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let me show you that this asset had a substantial decline for the last couple of weeks. It lost from this swing high to this swing low about 30% of its value, and it gained back around 32% to its value back. And as you can see, this might be quite interesting V-shaped recovery, and in a minute in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the general sentiment related to RKLB stock, and if you type in Google search bar RKLB stock and switch to news tab folder, you will see several recent news. I want to pay attention to this one that was published on tradersunion.com just 17 hours ago, and it's titled "What Triggered RKLB Shares Latest Price Surge?" And for the last trading session, it surged by 6.45% after announcing a definitive agreement to acquire Iridium Communications for $8 billion, which aims to expand its capabilities across the satellite and communications sectors. So, and guys, let me show you the most recent price action on a 15 minutes time frame. You can see that this asset went higher. It gained about 7% to its value, but then it lost pretty much everything, and for now it is hovering at the level where it was every time at the end of trading session and at the beginning of the next one. You can see that this line is a psychological number of $100, and for now this level acts exactly as a magnet, which is crucial level for this stock. and in a minute I will show you the main levels and the main layout for the stock, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom out to hourly time frame, and on my previous video I told you that we were still in this type of 5-wave structure to the upside, and I told you that if this asset breaks 0.65 Fib level, we will not have the top of the 5th wave above this previous swing high. But for now, guys, with this deep retracement, we already have this lowest point not far from the bottom of this wave. It was just 6.65%, which means, guys, this breakdown is eliminated. And let me show you what do we have on the price chart right now. You know that when the structure of the price action has a lot of overlapping waves, we have to rely on this as an ABCs, not 5 waves but 3-wave structure. And for now, guys, we have, as you can see, 3 waves into our A wave, 3 waves into our B wave, and 5 waves into our C wave. This is these 5 waves. And this deep retracement is nothing else but another ABC. Let me show you like this: A, B, and C wave. And guys, if I project the price target of this bottom from this top to the bottom of the wave A and to the top of the wave B, you can see that this asset hit the level of 0.786. It is not the most common one-to-one extension, but it is still a decent and very technical level of support. And let's delete this one. For now, we are at the uptrend, and if this asset forms 3-wave structure or 5 waves into our initial movement to the upside, then 3 waves to the downside, we have to see 5 waves inside the next leg of the ABC correction. Let me show you like this. If it is an A wave, we have to see some kind of decline in the B wave, and then we have to see 5 waves into our C wave. And probably it will retest this top again, and I have to admit that from the technical standpoint, this is the most probable breakdown. And this is nothing else but the part of the 3 waves of the 3rd wave. It will be a 5-wave structure to the upside, and it will have much higher price targets for the end of this cycle. If you take a look at the forecast for this stock, you can see that the average price target among 14 analysts is set at around $120, which is almost 20% above our current price. Which means, guys, we still have decent chances to see this, at least the beginning of this movement, and we might benefit out of these waves. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.